Today we are at Mactaquac Trails, Provincial Park. This is my buddy Adam.
Hello.
We have our bikes here. Go for a nice little bike ride. Your bike's on the ground. All right. I'll take some photos and see how this turns out.
Here at Mactaquac Trails in Mactaquac, New Brunswick. My buddy Joe's going to be coming here any second.
We're about 10 kilometers in, and the terrain is really bad. Or it's really good, but there's a lot of hills, so there's a lot of up and down. It's been, I'm just completely exhausted. We're just taking a quick break, and we're gonna keep going. I think we have another 10 kilometers to go, and then I think that'd be it for the day. Such a really nice trail. There's a lot of mulch though, so it makes it hard to bike, but this part of the trail is, I don't see any mulch. It's a little smoother. Definitely a good workout though. Made her back. Such a great day for a bike ride. Anyway, this is the Mactaquac Provincial Park Trails just outside Fredericton, New Brunswick. It's definitely worth checking out if you're in the area.